Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a bun with 2 braids on the side. Keep watching to see the end results. I'll be applying cream of nature, argan oil on the hair and the scalp just to make the hair nice and soft and moisturized. As you can see guys, before I do my bun, I'm cutting the lines on the side for my braids. After I've made sure my sides are equal, I slick her hair up using my tangle teaser and hairbrush. Instead of doing the traditional bun, I'm doing 8 twists as I feel this makes the style remain neat for a longer period of time. For finishing touches, she wanted me to add gold and white beads to the ends of her hair. Here is the final look. Cute, simple and pretty. Let me know what you guys think down below.
Bye. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever my mom plays. Bye.